Hey guys, Miss Hendry here. We are going to look at the letter D that says D, D. All right, and we're going to look at all the pictures and we're going to circle the ones that start with the D, D sound. All right, so let's look at this first picture. This is a picture of a D, dog, D, dog, D, D. All right, I hear the D, D sound, so I'm going to circle it. What about house? House. Do we hear D, D at the beginning of house? I don't. All right, this is a picture of a door. D, door. Do you hear D, D at the beginning of door? Yes. All right, so I'm going to circle that. Next, you have a pot. Pot. Do you hear D, D at the beginning of pot? No. What about bed? Bed. Do you hear D, D at the beginning of bed? No, those are tricky though, because they do sound sort of the same. All right, and then last we have a dinosaur. D, D. Do you hear D, D at the beginning of dinosaur? Yes, good job. All right, friends, try to find some more things around your house that start with the D sound.